next student, she's going to come up and she's going to demonstrate the fat-free potato salad. Anybody know why it's fat-free potato salad? Okay, the reason why it's fat-free potato salad because we're using fat-free mayonnaise. We're using fat-free mayonnaise. You can purchase fat-free mayonnaise in the grocery store. Kraft sells it. You can purchase fat-free Miracle Whip if you like Miracle Whip. So what we're going to do is, you let that simmer, step to the side. I'm going to turn it off. Okay. Yes, ma'am, that's a very good idea. Sometimes, but I wouldn't use just straight yogurt because your potato salad start tasting kind of yogurt. I need some kind of viscosity from the mayonnaise. So a lot of times I go half and half. So I go, fat-free mayonnaise, and you're really going, healthy on that one when you mix it. You really broke it all the way down there. Okay, she's going to bring over her ingredients for her potato salad. The potatoes over there. In our potato salad, we're going to have potatoes, which is the reason why it's called potato salad, celery, onions, mayonnaise, mustard, a little bit of parsley, salt, and pepper. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you guys how to make the dressing first. So what Ms. Dolores is going to do, she's going to demonstrate the dressing, and then we're going to assemble the potato salad.
She's asking which potato is better, red skin potato?
Very good question. Good. The guys are asking questions. That's good. Very good question. It depends on taste. If you want a more firmer potato salad, I would suggest the little red potatoes because they hold their shape better. If you want a softer potato salad, then I would go to the russets. The russets may not hold their shape, but they have a little bit less starch in them. They actually make a pretty good soft potato salad. The firmer ones, the little red potatoes, you can cook them for a while and they still hold their shape. If I want people to see the shape of the potato, then I'll probably go to the red. You can go to Yukon Gold, you can go to fingerling, any type of potato that you got a taste for. But if price-wise, probably the russet would probably be your first choice, and then after that, maybe the little red new potatoes. Shape-wise, I would probably go new potatoes, second russet, then get into Yukon Gold and fingerling and different things like that. Or if you want to, you can do a combination of different ones. But make sure that if you're doing a combination of different ones, you're doing a combination of soft ones and a combination of firm ones. Because you don't want to do one combination of soft and then you bite in the potato salad, it's really soft on this side and really firm on that side. And one half of your mouth experiencing two different things. So what we're going to do is we're going to make us a nice dressing for the potato salad. In our dressing for potato salad, our main ingredient is going to be our fat-free mayonnaise. So I'll add that in the bowl. And then we'll season this up a little bit before we actually mix it. Okay. And now Mr. Dolores is going to mix all that together. Yes, ma'am. All right. Now this is our dressing for the potato salad. You can add paprika to it. You can add other stuff to it that you choose to add to the potato. This is your basic dressing for your potato salad. Right now we have no fat in this because mustard has no fat and the mayonnaise has no fat. Potatoes have no fat, onions have no fat, celery has no fat, parsley has no fat, salt and pepper have no fat. So we're working totally fat-free for Memorial Day. And you don't have to worry about, as far as, gaining weight. I can't enjoy this because I'm going to gain some weight. You're not going to gain weight off of this one. Okay, now, Ms. Dolores is going to add in her potatoes. Oh, chef, that's a whole lot of potatoes. Okay, now, we're going to add in celery. It gives us a little crunch and a little taste on the potato salad. We're going to add in our onions. Yes, ma'am. And if you want to, you can add red onions and different things like that. It's a choice. It's all a preference. Okay. Now what we're going to do is potato, celery, and onion mixture is actually going to marry our dressing mixture. So what you're about to do is you're about to watch the raw wetting potato salad right over here. So I do. You ready? Let's go. Stay there. Now you're looking at basically a totally fat-free potato salad. most of the guilt is gone from the barbecue sauce. And then when we do the skewers, you're using basically chicken breast with no fat on it. I'd say per skewer, if I gave you 2 of these skewers, you may be looking at maybe 1 gram of fat for the total thing. Because the entire breast only had maybe 2.5 grams of fat in it. And we split the breast down the middle. We add in a little bit of salt, a little pepper. So we got salt, pepper. All right, now we'll take a little parsley, put it on top of that, and decorate it. Should be a little, just a little left. I say take a little parsley. I used up all the parsley. There you go. All right, guys. Now you're looking at a totally fat-free potato salad. If you start adding other ingredients to it, like some people add boiled eggs and stuff to it, now you're raising the fat content and you're also raising the cholesterol level. What we're looking at now basically is very little, basically almost no cholesterol, no fat, because we never added anything in here that actually added that in there. But like I said, you start adding more stuff into it, then you're actually going to start raising it. You notice I only put a small amount of salt in there, same way I did with you guys, and a small amount of pepper. But this is your fat-free